Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today we are going to discuss about general misconceptions about the creatives that you can use in order to target your ideal customer. So this is a theory video, and before we even start, I need to clarify that I'm not racist and be careful because my language barrier, okay, the fact that I don't speak English as my mother language, might make it sound like this, but
DAN GER OUS Dungers.
I'm saying it now, so don't attack me if any, but I'm not going to say anything crazy, okay? But I'm just saying, okay, because political correctness and all of this stuff, we have to be careful. So the reason that I'm making this video is because I had a conversation with one of my clients and she did this question to me, which actually triggered the need to do this video. So she was using one video that she was having one white person, and she was saying, a white woman basically, and she was saying that now that we're using this white woman, maybe the black women are not going to buy. Now, let me tell you this. First of all, you cannot play this game, okay?
Okay. I'm sorry, Mr. Mackey. Okay.
I urge you to look ads from Benetton, United Colors of Benetton. You will see that they're using in their picture and they have one Chinese person, one black person, one white person. They do this because they are multinational brands and they want to appeal to all. You can see a Coca-Cola video. They have a black person drinking, a Chinese person drinking, multi-mixed companies that there's one black person, one Chinese person. So all of this is calibrated and they're trying to appeal to the masses. When you're a brand that you're advertising on Facebook, if you're very big and you have lifestyle pictures and you want to do it, be my guest, do it. But you, as a small brand owner, thinking that if you put a black model and then you're going to lose all the white customers, this is wrong. Okay, whatever you're going to do, you're not going to please all the categories, okay? Because it reminds me of, at some point I was watching a video that you can create a perfect woman, and they were taking the lips of Angelina Jolie, they were taking the hair of another actress, the forehead of another and stuff, and then they were creating something like a gremlin, okay? You cannot do that, you cannot play this game. So, in my opinion, try to do the best possible that you can with the avatar that you think that your product is appealing to. And don't try to play this game of going to different hot pockets because, for example, in the way that you are thinking, I might say that if you have a woman, for example, a white woman, a white lesbian might not be interested in that product because the woman that you put is straight. You cannot play this game, in other words, okay? To be honest with you, I think that you are missing the point here. Okay, when we are talking about multi-level marketing to different ethnicities, races, preferences, sexual preferences and stuff, the people that are doing it, they're doing it not just for social media, but for leaflets, for their stores and everything. On Facebook, the rules are different. Why? Because your pixel is going to decide. Your pixel is your most important asset. Let's analyze it more. If you have a brand and you're having customers that they're black women that they're buying, and if you just suddenly put a white model, even with a white model, your pixel is going to target black women, okay? So in my opinion, when you're advertising on Facebook, you shouldn't care so much about that, but you should be able to understand what is your ideal avatar client that you need to target based on the history of your orders or based on your interaction with your clients, understanding who are the ones that they are actually converting. So based on that, and based on what you understand, you need to use the actual models that are going to appeal more to these people. And this is the reason that we have UGC content. UGC content is very effective. Why? Because you are using, and I'm not talking about the UGC content that's being created from agencies. I'm talking about the UGC content that is being created from your actual clients. So when you're having UGC content created from your actual clients, it's appealing to your other clients because these are part of the ideal avatar that you want to target. So when you're doing a review UGC content with your clients and the clients are going to send, these people are going to be similar, they're going to look similar with the other people that you want to actually target, because these are the people that your pixel is understanding and is targeting more efficiently. This is the reason that when you are having UGC content from another platform or from someone who has created UGC content with influencers or whatever, it's not as effective as it is when you are using UGC content from your actual clients. So, just to recap, don't overthink about your creatives in that way of, hey, I want to appeal to the masses and stuff. If you are not in that level, if you are not a multi-million-dollar company that you want to target the masses because your pixel is becoming bigger and it's targeting more hot pockets, it's fine, do it. If you don't do it. Just try to find the hot pocket that is working for you and it's going to help you expand. Second thing, understand the importance of your pixel. When your pixel is targeting a specific avatar, it's going to continue targeting this specific avatar, so don't use UGC content which is not related to, or any content which is not related with your ideal clients and the clients that they are actually supporting your brand. Third thing, don't spend money on agencies or on TikTok video creation just so that you can have content for Facebook. Just try to see if you can organize something like a competition, giving a discount code for all of the people that they have purchased from you to give you a review or a UGC video, and they're going to get a free product or a discount. These are the videos that are going to help you a lot to increase your sales. I hope that it makes sense. I hope that I was able to explain it properly. If you have any questions about that, please ask me below, but just don't assume stuff. Don't assume that because you are doing this, the opposite is going to happen and stuff. Keep testing it, okay? What we are discussing here is just theory, okay? And of course, it's my experience with things, okay, which I'm sharing, but don't overanalyze stuff and try to be more logical with things, and don't try to behave like a very big brand when you are not, because you are not.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
I hope that I wasn't that cruel with some of you. Until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.